In this video, I'm going to show you how to set drawing limits in AutoCAD. Drawing limits define a rectangular working area and can help keep your project organized by establishing a designated workspace. To begin, type limits in the command line and press Enter. AutoCAD will first ask you to specify the lower left corner of the limits. In most cases, you can enter 0, 0 and press Enter. Next, specify the upper right corner by entering the desired width and height of your drawing area, such as 100, 0. Once the limits have been defined, type limits again and choose the option to turn limits on. This activates the boundary you have created. You can then use zoom followed by ALL to display the entire limits area on your screen. Setting drawing limits is especially useful for large projects, layouts, and maintaining a consistent working area. It helps improve organization and ensures your drawings stay within the intended design space. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.